What's that song say? No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
One more monkey jumping on. One more monkey jumping on the bed. One more monkey bumping head. Mama called Daddy that said no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
That's right.
No.
What happens when you jump on the bed?
Hit your head.
You hit your head and you get hurt. So let's not jump on the bed anymore, okay?
No. Mama, where's Daddy? What's jumping?
Travis,
Oh,
you're going to knock her off the bed.
Mom was supposed to. I'm going to push you.
No.